Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Binance app on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow steps I do to not any mistakes. So all you need to do is open a Google browser and enter Binance. Go to the site and look below, there are icons for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Then select your system and click. We wait until it downloads and open the file. Allow it to open and select your language for installation. Then specify the folder where we want to install the Binance and click install. We wait for some time, the Binance is established and open it. That's all. Log into your account or register. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easier and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.